In this video, we'll demonstrate how to activate car mode on Spotify, a convenient feature that enhances your music and podcast experience while on the road. But before we dive into the steps, if you're eager to upgrade your Spotify usage in the car, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback plays a crucial role in shaping the content we bring to you. Now, let's get started. To enable car mode on Spotify, follow these straightforward steps. First, head into your device settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is toggled on and connect to your specific car. When you're in your car and it's turned on, locate it under My Devices or Other Devices and establish the connection. Once connected, exit the settings and open the Spotify app. Inside the Spotify app, tap on the gear icon at the top right. About midway down the menu, you'll find the car option. Tap on it, and you'll see two choices: Car Thing and Car View. For our purpose, toggle on Car View. This feature allows you to seamlessly connect Spotify and activate car mode without the need for any additional devices. While Car Thing is a device available for purchase from Spotify to simplify car connectivity, it's not necessary. By turning on Car View, you can enjoy the benefits of car mode directly through the Spotify app. This enables you to listen to podcasts or songs effortlessly while driving. I hope this guide helps you enhance your Spotify experience in the car. Thanks for your time today, and if you found this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement motivates us to create more content like this. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.